We need coriander leaf, cut the coriander leaf into slices. We need a lemon slice. Take the slices in a blender. Add 3 cloves of garlic. Add a spoon of ginger powder. Add a spoon of cinnamon powder. Add 1 glass water. Use blending machine to blend it well. Separate the impurities from the mixture. Add half of a lemon juice. Add a spoon of honey. Mix it well. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 10 days. You will notice the difference, especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. These tips are completely natural, there is no side effect. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.